role of a referee goes beyond the ring because first we have to prepare for the fight. We have to prepare our mind, get the perspective of a referee, not from a point of view of a spectator. A referee's role is to be objective in a fight rather than be amused or be entertained by the fight. And it also goes beyond because we have to brief the fighters, we have to make sure the ring conditions are okay. Yes, we actually do check the wraps, their gloves, may mga ginalagay sila sa gloves nila. We also check yung Vaseline nila kung if it's too much, their groin cups and mouthpieces. Yes, actually minsan marami yung Vaseline na nakalagay. So we have to wipe it out. Or sometimes yung fighters, nakakalimutan nila yung mouthpiece. Yeah, captain. So we have to remind them, syempre, they're too focused on fighting. So sometimes it causes delay. Hanapin pa nila yung mouthpiece. I think the GAB, it's a governing body who ensures the safety of the fighters. And the referee is the one implementing it. So we make sure that the fighters are safe and we create balance between their safety and entertainment, hard action that they're doing inside the ring. You know, I'm not the judge of the fight. I actually control the fight, but the decision is still with the judges. Same naman yung perspective ng judges ng referee. I don't think malaki yung discrepancy in decisions that we're going to make. We just have to ensure that the fighters know that we are the authority inside the ring. And whatever we say is a final decision, and they must obey all commands that we give them. So we just have to establish that. We have the yellow card and the red card. The yellow card is for minor violations, for unintentional fouls. The red card disqualifies the fighter. Unintentional groin shots, we give them a yellow card. Kung sa tingin ng referee, it was an intentional foul, like eye gouging, or if there's a cut and the fighter plays with the cut of the opponent, that's a red card. 2 warnings and you're scored. Those are scorecards, and we collect the scorecards from the judges and we give it to the GAB. And the GAB tallies it. They're the ones who give the final decision. Who won, who's the draw. The cornermen are also part of the game. So they have to maintain their decision during the fighters' briefing. You just have to make sure that they know that their calls are final. And whatever they do, kung may foul sila gano'n, it will directly affect their decision on their win or loss. So I guess you just have to physically force them to let go of the hold, or if they still continue to beat up the opponent, you have to push them away, physically. Yeah, we do check the fighters if they're in good condition, need any medical help, and we hear their concerns. Is this Christian wrong for the game?
Wow, and I thought it was easy to be a referee. Apparently not. Thank you, Christian, for enlightening us. And we have another exciting fight for you on Fight Replay when we come back.